风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Yo, welcome back to Daily Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午好，大家好，我係美甲。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. Associated with the performing arts are a lot of professions, including an artist. 画家也是一个艺文这个职业里面非常重要。我以前小时候其实很想当画家，
对，要美感很好。
对，或者说卡通，画卡通也蛮有趣的，插画之类的。画家怎么说？
发嘎。
发嘎 That's an artist or a painter. There's actually a very famous Hakka painter who just died just a couple of years ago. 已故的客籍画家何兆渠老师有许多写景的画作哦。The late artist 何兆渠 has a lot of landscape paintings.
高成嘅客家嘅花架，
高成嘅客家嘅花架，
何小琪先生，
何小琪先生，
搖動到，
搖動到，
描下風景嘅花，
描下風景嘅花，風景畫叫做風景嘅花。That's landscape paintings. Now let's teach you another phrase here. 他立志要成为一个漫画家。He has goals to become a cartoonist.
佢立志
佢立志
愛做一個
愛做一個
漫畫家。
漫畫家，漫畫 that's cartoon, comics, 家 an author or artist behind that. There you go. All right, let's review some of the phrases we brought up, including 寫景 landscape,
風景
風景 and then a cartoon or a manga 漫畫
漫畫
漫畫 and finally a painter or an artist 畫家
花架
發嘎 There you go, another performing art profession that we're talking about here. Thank you for listening.
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.